How to change location on Twitter. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to change location on Twitter. To change your country's settings on Twitter X, you need to follow these steps. First of all, open the application on your device, and once logged in, you'll then be taken to the home page. Click on the initials from the top right hand side corner of your screen and go to Settings and Support. Next, you want to click on Settings and Privacy underneath. Then, when you go to the Settings and Privacy section, click on Your Account from the top of the page. When you go to the Your Account section, you have these account info. Click that out, and there you have the country. Now select the country according to your preferences. Then go ahead and verify your identity, all that. And with that being said, you'll have successfully changed location on Twitter. So this is how you could change. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.